Today we have something delicious coming. We have a full course meal coming today.
You lost your legs, Katie. You're floating. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're learning from a ghost.
So today we have two banchans we're gonna show you. They are delicious and simple. You can mix and match up with anything. And we have a special banchan that we bought from the store. We're not gonna make it today, but we just wanted to show you what it is and surprise you. So our first recipe is simple beef asparagus stir-fry. 7 asparagus over here, and parts are quite hard. Meme! So we're gonna chop these off. Okay, doke. So just chop this at an angle now. Good. That's it for the asparagus. Why this one looks so thick? I'm gonna use 1 onion. This is a small one. If you got a big onion, use only half of that. Julienne them. So the onion's done. This one has 4 crinkles in its butt. We're gonna use 1 small section. This one has a 3-part booty. Nice. This one's ready. 200 grams of beef. We're gonna just use the leftover steak. Daniel, can you do this one? I wanna check Instagram.
Alright. I'm gonna just cut it into thin slices. Good marbling on this one too. Katie, come back.
Alright, put the beef in a bowl. Season with a few shakes of salt and black pepper. Good. 1 tablespoon of mirin. Chase away the bad smells and the evil spirits. 1.5 tablespoon of cornstarch. That's another half. In. This is gonna help retain the moisture in the meat as well as give it a crisp browning. Give it a good mix. Medium-high heat. Put some oil. Once it's hot, flatten it out and stir it around. Just let it sit for a while and get a nice browning on one side. Oh yeah! Now turn the heat off. We're gonna put them aside. Put good amount of oil. We're gonna put a teaspoon of minced garlic in. Add the onions and mix them together. Oh, I can already smell the garlic. It's beautiful. And once the onion starts to turn translucent, we're gonna add our bell peppers and asparagus. Go! Go sing! Beautiful collection over here. Stir this for a few minutes until the asparagus gets cooked. And after about 2 minutes, now add the beef. Give it a good stir. Time to add the sauce. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. 1, 2, 1 tablespoon of mirin. Give it a stir. Then 1 tablespoon of sugar. In. Mix. Give it a taste. It's a little bit bland, so add a few shakes of salt. And then some black pepper. Okay. And then add a half teaspoon of sesame oil. Few shakes of sesame seeds. Take a look at these. Better than Panda Express. Of course! Ooh, yum yum. We should just call this yum yum. Take a look at that. I just want to dig in. But we got another dish, so this one has to wait. Hang tight! You guys all know 닭강정. It's Korean fried chicken with soy sauce glazed. Today we're gonna do that same thing with tofu. We have 1 block of firm tofu with 340 grams. Empty the water out. Just knife it down. Slice it in half. It's done. Place it in a microwavable bowl. And we're gonna microwave for 2 minutes. 2 minutes is up. As you can see, there's water. So after we microwave, I still want you to pat it down once with a paper towel. Be gentle. And please do this step. It's gonna make a difference. And next we're gonna use some cornstarch. And this is gonna give a crispy skin. And make sure to rub off the extra. This is important because we don't want it to be too thick. It looks like it doesn't have any coating, but it's already soaked in. Use a small frying pan, less surface area. Put a good amount of oil in. Medium low. This light is annoying me. Let's switch sides. Bubbles are popping up. That means you're ready. I see bubbles. Sounds very exciting. Be careful because the tofu pieces might pop once in a while. So I wouldn't recommend having kids around. So all you want is a simple golden brown. Alright, you see it's getting golden brown. Ooh, look at that. Now for the glaze. 4 tablespoons of water. 1, 4. 4 tablespoons of soy sauce. 1, 4. 1 tablespoon of sugar. In 1 tablespoon of honey. It also acts as a thickener. And a little bit of tartness, guys. So 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. Now put this on a medium high. Stir it again because the sugar is on the bottom. And just stir it a little bit and we're gonna wait for this to thicken up. The sugar is gonna melt with the honey and thicken everything up. Little cubicles in. You want to give every side an equal coating. And here's. It's done! Look at this piece of art! Woo. There you have it! Crispy tofu gangjeong. This is our third banchan. Do you know what this is? It's raw flour crab that's been pickled in spicy Korean gochujang sauce. We saw them at the store. They look very fresh and delicious. This is my set menu for tonight. What do you guys think? We got crispy, salty, and slightly sweet tofu. We got our savory trio. Down you go in one. Oh. Finally, look at this flour crab. It's raw, but you bite into the whole like that. Guys, this is actually one of the better dinners I've made in a while. But Daniel, can you cut this for me?
Sure.
This is too big. Wow, it's so big. Wow. You've done your obligation. Come hither.
Oh yeah.